First we have to wipe the stove and everything, okay? Sharik is also see.
What?
There. What you are eating? It's tasty. Today you finish your lessons, okay? Today we make some noodles. Okay?
What for?
Yeah, let's make noodles.
Eat the meat noodles and then watch for.
No. Where is your phone?
The man.
Oh?
Which one is the man? In the pocket, just shut it.
No, I didn't keep there. You didn't allow to take now, then how I will keep? Some tea there, orange tea. You can drink. Okay? Now we'll wash the cloth. After that, we have to set the vessels.
Why not you see this stuff, Mother screen?
Screen is only off, camera is still recording. Now first we have to set the vessels. Okay? Now we have to set the vessels. I'm going to take the wiping cloth and come, okay? This is our daily vlog. Wait till it. You can also help him, not helping each other. Very bad you are, too bad.
Being born only like this and becoming.
Don't give you, don't worry.
Only got 2 pieces, that thing are there. What? 2 pieces, only that thing is there.
Which thing?
Take your hands. What is that? Only 2 pieces is there.
Then you don't want it, you don't need it. How nice question you're asking. Daily if you don't wipe this off, daily if you don't wipe this basket fully, it becomes slippery and dirty. So daily wipe it and keep it clean. Only later this work won't come for you. Some aunties only do, Jamila auntie, otherwise Sarah auntie, somebody they both only do. Someday only I'll do the work. This kind of work can done Jamila auntie will do nicely.
Driving it?
Why? She would do no. You are Taiba auntie anyone do. She'll fight with them. If I tell to do means she'll scold me. Okay, let this thing dry for some time.
What?
Let these things dry a little more, little wet. After that, now we'll go to the room and take wheat flour and come.